Hello viewers at home, this is Helizchem. Don't forget to follow, share and like. Today we want to look at a typical WAEC or JAMB question, objective question. In case you come across this type of question, how will you answer it? This is the question. Which of the following periodic properties increase than the group? Option A, electronegativity, B, electron affinity, C, ionization energy, D, ionic radius. The answer to this question is D, which is ionic radius. Okay, you are surprised and thinking that how did I get the answer? Let me teach you the logic in case you come across objective question like this on periodic table, especially when it has to do with atomic properties. What is the logic? Follow me. We have 8 atomic properties that either varies across the period from left to right in the periodic table or from up to down the group in the periodic table. So the logic is this. You will have to arrange these atomic properties in alphabetical order and look at how they vary across the period and down the group using this simple acronym. And what is that acronym? D3, I2, DID. What did I call it? D3, I2, DID. If you sum all the index together, you will discover that 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, making 8 atomic properties. 8 atomic properties. So what we now do is this. You will arrange the atomic properties alphabetical order across the period and down the group. Don't forget, arrange them in alphabetical order. If you look at across, A comes before D, and that is why I picked across first, followed by down the group. Now, what are the atomic properties? 1, we have atomic size. 2, atomic volume. 3, atomic radius. 4, electron affinity. 5, electronegativity. 6, electropositivity. 7, ionization energy. And 8, ionic radius. If you look at it very well, you will see that these 8 atomic properties are arranged in alphabetical order. A comes first, followed by E, followed by I. If you look at ionization and ionic radius, ionization will come before ionic radius. So you will now arrange this D3I2 DID means D means decrease and I means increase. So with this now, that is, we are having 3 decrease, decrease, decrease. That settles the D3. Then we are having I2, meaning increase, increase, and this one, decrease, increase, and the last one, which is decrease. So meaning that when you move from left to right of the periodic table, atomic size, atomic volume, and atomic radius decrease from left to right. Electronegativity, electron affinity, electronegativity, they increase from left to right across the period. While ionization energy increase from left to right, electropositivity decreases from left to right, and ionic radius decreases from left to right across the table. So for this other one, this one will be the opposite of this. You are only concerned with the first one. Once you know this first one, the opposite is for the dandy group. So for dandy group, we have increase, 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 decrease, decrease, increase, decrease, and increase. So going back to the question, if you look at it, which of the following periodic properties increase dandy group? So looking at this table now, the best answer is ionic radius, and that is the logic. So for objective questions like this on periodic table, you can quickly draw your table like this, D3I2, DID, and that will help you to solve any objective question concerning atomic properties under periodic table. Stay tuned for more logic at the same channel, Helizchem, because Helizchem got you covered.